Nama Egya Sinuraya kelas 91.
Hello friends, my name is Egya Sinuraya. I'm from class 91. Here I want to tell a fairy tale about the ant and the dove. Once upon a time, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell into the river water. Help! 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 Cried the ant, but no one could hear his cries. The dove sitting on a tree nearby saw that the ant was in trouble. She quickly plucked a leaf from the tree and dropped it into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. After a few days, the dove was sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. The ant knew that his friend, the dove, was in danger. He quickly bit the hunter's leg. The hunter cried in pain. The hunter's arrow missed the dove this time. The ant saved the dove. The dove thanked the ant for saving her life, and they become friends forever.
Maaf jika ada kesalahan dalam penyebutan.